Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have a Netgate or a pfSense SG-2100 security gateway firewall router and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the device is not connecting to the internet, or it seems to be frozen and not responding, or if it's otherwise not detected or not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, especially if you've already tried soft resets and reboots and stuff like that. You might need to turn it up a notch. Now, you're going to have to set everything back up again because it will all be wiped to its out-of-the-box settings. And that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you're just setting this up on a new network or just in any kind of situation where you want to get just a fresh start, like you're just taking it out of the box, no configurations, no presets, anything like that, we can go ahead and do that. So what we want to do is we're going to need a paper clip or a pin or something because we're going to use this reset hole. It's not quite as simple as that, but we are going to need a paper clip or something to press that reset button, the recessed reset button. So what you're going to do is you're going to unplug this gateway from power. And then once it's disconnected from power, you're going to go ahead and press and hold the reset button. And then with this reset button being held down, we're going to restore power to the device. And once we've restored power, we're going to continue to hold this, and it's going to take about 30 seconds for this to happen. So you just can keep holding, and you will see the little LED light indicator on the device will blink red 3 times once the reset starts. So once it starts, you can then let go of the reset button and allow it to complete its process. When it's done, it'll actually reboot. So once it turns off and turns back on, you can go ahead and set it up again as a new device.